boy. Looks like the hawk came flying in to see us. Hello, buddy. What are you here for, huh? You got something up there? Oh, you got something up there. Oh, it's a damn snake. He's got a snake. I knew he had something up there. You loud bastard. Get your snake and go. You're waking up the neighborhood. Oh shit, there's his mate. Oh my God, something's gonna happen here. Called his girlfriend. Called his girlfriend. Oh boy, they're both here now. The two hawks are here. What do they got? Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. I should take a picture of that. Damn, that make a good picture right there. Look at that. Look at that. End of story, I guess. The male came, killed the snake. His girlfriend came, got the snake. Now they're gonna go eat, probably feed their little nest. What's he after now? He's circling. He's circling after something. Look at him. He's trolling. Look at that.